showing how to record a tour inside of Google Earth Pro. This is something that you can do if you want to show off a specific area over time. Kind of if you want to do like a visual screen cap of what you're showing, like a video, pretty much, as opposed to a screenshot, which we've covered in another video. You can go look at that one if you want to do a still. But for the tours, what you're going to want to do is just go up here to the top bar and just click on a recorded tour, right? And then that'll pop up this bottom at this button panel at the bottom here, which gives you an option to record just this screen right here, the visual area that we can see. It will not record the sidebar, right? So we're just going to record one right now. I'm going to hit record on that, and then if I hit this mic button, then it's going to enable that as well. And so let's see, I'm going to zoom in on Indiana. I'm just going to zoom in on Indianapolis. Now, any of the different layers, if I want to change them, they will be inside of the tour. Okay, so if I turn off like my places or my 3D buildings or just whatever, I've got labels on everything. And yeah, if I take those off, you can see they go away, right? Okay, so when I'm done with that, hit stop recording, and then when I hit play on it, you can see I'm not doing anything right now. The tour is just playing. So this is what you get, right? The whole thing. It recorded every movement that I had made, and then if I save it, then I can name it whatever, and it will save in my places, and it just sort of functions from there. And that is how you make a tour inside Google Earth Pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you. Have a good one.